Hey guys, so I wanted to jump on here real quick and show you this. So these are plastic bag holders. I found these at Menards. They're only like $2 and I think 24 cents each. I grabbed 6 of them, but I forgot about one. But I do add that on after the video's over. I like even numbers. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but at first I was like kicking myself thinking I only got 5. But I got 6. It comes with like those command sticky things and screws. You can save those. Use one pack to hang this or save those for other projects. I always keep extra screws on hand. So we're going to take the bottom of this off. It just pops right off. And what we're creating is our own floral storage, okay? Because I'm sure some of you have looked it up, like on Amazon. It's expensive. One I found that I liked was like over $100. I ain't doing it. So I built my own for like, I don't know, $12, something like that, $11 to $12. Super easy. We're going to take some zip ties and we're going to tie them together. I got those at Menards as well. Those were $2.99, but I know you can get zip ties from Dollar Tree. This was a last minute idea. I've been needing floral storage for so long now. So I would have got my tie straps from, or zip ties, whatever you want to call them, from Dollar Tree, but it's okay. See how we're just going to put them end to end, and then we're going to zip tie them together. That's it. This is really easy. It's budget friendly. You can hang it up in your craft room. I mean, you can even do like rows next to each other. And you can make this as long as you want. You can keep adding to it. So it's really nice, really easy, budget friendly. I absolutely love it. I know somebody else is going to love this. You know, I'm sure somebody else is having the same issue I am with keeping our florals off the ground, make sure they're not getting destroyed, because that's money you're losing, you know. So see how we got our zip ties on there, and we're just going to cut the excess off. We'll flip it over like so and zip tie that together too. And once you get your florals all in it, you're not going to be able to see the zip ties anymore. So it doesn't bother me. It may bother somebody else. But for me, it doesn't matter because the florals are going to be covering up all that anyways once I get it full. I do hang it in my dining room for a second just to show y'all and add some florals in it. So it works out great. But it will be going upstairs in my little craft office, I guess you could say. But I hope this helps somebody. And I'm sure you could check, like, if you don't have Menards, check Lowe's, check Home Depot. We don't go there very often. We're usually Menards because it's closer and we feel like the prices are better. But definitely check around. I'll see on Amazon if these are on there and see the price on there too. I'm just going to add one more on there to show you. Hopefully you guys enjoy this idea. You'll have to let me know in comments if you like this idea, if you have another idea for floral storage that's budget friendly. I would love to know. I'm sure others would love to know too. And you could even, if you wanted to, I'm not going to, but you could spray paint it if you really wanted to do that. You could do that too. I'm not going to do that because I feel like it's a waste of paint. Because once I'm, pulling florals in and out of there, it's just going to rub my paint off. And I feel like, to me, it's a waste of money. It's a waste of paint. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to leave it as is. Nobody's really going to see it but me. So it's all good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it inspires you to make you one, save you some money. I mean, that's a lot of storage. Even the middle pieces right there, you could put florals in there too. So that's a whole lot of storage. Even at the top, you could put some there. Y'all have a good one.